Hi, today I'm with me Oppo A17 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the sound and vibration. Here we can see the ringtone volume panel. Just to change the ringtone we should hold and slide to the left or to the right side this dot. Also we can make it with the help of the volume buttons, but first we should in advanced settings tap to volume button function and switch here media volume to ringtone volume, and after that we can use the ringtone the volume buttons to change the ringtone volume. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.